Okay, a lot of people ask me how to shop. So here we go. So first you go to your app, and I'm sure if you're already a member, you should have this app already from Apple Store. You can actually download the Atomy mobile app. So it's much easier. So this is how it looks. Now from here, as you can see, the top part is scrolling. It's introducing to you the so many products that we have. So on the lower part, beside my office, on the left side, are those three lines, which is the menu. Then if you click on that, you will see sign in on the upper left. So here you need to sign in. And then put your fast password. Okay. And then sign in. Okay. I must have placed the wrong one. So again, let's try. Okay, I got that right. So let us say now you can see shopping on the upper left. Let's say I want to buy all products. You want to scroll and see for yourself what you want to have. Then they're all there. But if you want the shortcut, what you can do is you go to all products. You can see here on the drop down menu the different items that we have. There's also promotion. Okay, so right now they have a, oh, it's sold out already. Sometimes they come in bundles, and it's either you get a higher PV or point value when you buy that, or sometimes there's a freebie. So always check on that promotion. Also here, I would like you to look at the lower part, which is more. A lot of people don't touch this. And you can see the app.Me leaflet for 2025. It's only 250 to 20 pieces. So this is the one that you can give to people you're inviting, or when they're interested, just give them a copy so that they will know what are the products of Atomy. Now we also have our own shopping bags. I always buy these shopping bags, especially when I'm gifting them, because I want the Atomy to feel so special. I want them to feel special that they're holding an Atomy bag, because it doesn't really happen all the time. And here you have the Atomy DNA if you want to know more about the company. That's on the lower right. So now let's go back to shopping. Okay, right now I want to buy Himohim. My husband wants Himohim, so I'm going to buy it for him. Okay, and I just want to buy a piece of that. So I go here, click the 5,100, and here you can see purchase. Please do not click the easy purchase. That's for another purpose. But for now, if you're shopping, just click the blue button that says purchase. When you click that, it will show the number or the quantity of items that you want. In my case, I just want one. So I will click on the lower left button that says add to cart. Okay, when I add it, it's now there in my cart. So now let's say I want to check out. I just, on the upper right, you can see the cart. Just click that, and you will see here. Okay, I have other items that I click because I want to buy them all, but in the meantime, just for purposes of showing you how to buy, I'll just buy Himuhim first. Okay, just one box for now. And I go click the checkout button. Okay, so when you see the checkout button, it will show your name, your ID, your center, and then on the sale date, okay, I'm scrolling, it will give you a choice whether to input that on day before, day today, or day tomorrow. This will be very important if you are chasing PVs for commission purposes, but that will be for another video. But in this case, I want to put it on day before. Now, it says here, okay, I have the name, the phone number, the email, it's all there. Now for the shipping address, I'll go to the shipping address list. If you don't have any address yet, you can put it in the new shipping address. And here you can input everything, the name of the recipient, the mobile. Because remember, you can have Atomy delivered to other people. You can give it as a gift or maybe to your neighbor or to your sister, to your mom. You can put their names here, their phone numbers, and their shipping address so that it will be delivered directly to them instead of it being delivered to you and then you wouldn't know when will be the next time you'll see them. Now, if you have those shipping addresses saved, it will always appear in your shipping address list. Okay, in this case, I have my shipping address here and we'll put this one. Okay, so it will now be delivered to my home. Now, always use individual order. That means it will go directly to you. If it's PUC delivery, that means pick up center delivery, then that's another story. That means you will have to that will have to be delivered straight from the pickup center to your house. But that one is more complicated because I think there's a certain minimum for it. Affiliated center, just in case you want also, that means like me, I'm affiliated to Tandang Sora Center, but I don't live nearby. I live in Alabang, but I'm affiliated with them, so I would rather that it be delivered directly to me. PUC walk-in this is a new feature wherein we can already pick up the items from the pickup center. And this is only good if, let's say, you are really going there, let's say attending a talk, then it's good for you to pick up there if you want. But for me, there's no reason to do this because I would just rather that it be delivered directly to me. The group orders, another thing wherein you can actually pull your orders in one, but I still have to understand how this works. Here you can see there's a group order guide and it will tell you on how to go about it. Okay, but in our case right now, let us just stick to the individual order. So this will be for another day, but that's just to let you know that there's such a thing, and it's here appears a form that you need to fill up, and at the bottom it says confirm. So I'll X that because I'll stick to the individual order. Now, how do you pay for it? It can be a credit card, it can be a bank deposit or online bank transfer. There can be GCash, installment payment via BDO, credit card. There's a PNB bills payment and PayMaya. I normally use GCash or credit card. They're the most uncomplicated of all. I normally discourage bank deposit because if this happens, you'll have to deposit, even if it's online transfer. I'm not so sure if they have improved this already because we have a new system now. Wherein you will have to put your order number and you will have to screenshot and send it via email to Atomy Korea. So it's more complicated, or maybe Atomy Philippines. So it's more complicated. So the easiest way for me is GCash, which is the friendliest of all payments. And then you can set it as a default payment if you think you're just going to use GCash all the time because you don't have credit card anyway. But in my case, I sometimes use credit card. But this is the good thing. If you are using GCash, right below it, can you see there's a GCash guide? If you use straight debit credit card, there is a straight debit credit card guide as well. There's also for the bank deposits, there are guides. So that didn't have, we didn't have that before, that didn't appear. So it's good that now there are guides so you can go through it before you click. So I'm so used to GCash, so that's what I'm going to use. But always check what is in what you have punched. So in my case, I'm checking Okay, there's one product. There's zero shipping fee because I exceeded the minimum. I think the minimum is 3.5. And then the sale date was yesterday, and it's a correct total, 5,100. So this just to make sure that there are no additionals that you punched by mistake or added to cart by mistake. But before you pay, you have to confirm. I confirm the order and agree to purchase terms and conditions. So you click that to say yes, you agree, and then pay 5,100. This will now link to my GCash, okay? It says, underneath, it says continue payment. I will click that, and it will now open in GCash. Okay, there you go. So it's back in GCash, and it's asking for me to confirm payment. So I paid the 5,100, and it says I have enough money in GCash, so it's good to pay. I click pay Philippine peso 5,100. And there you go. It says go to Atomy main. Okay, sometimes it does. Let's see. I'll go to GCash again. Okay, it's not saying. So I'll go back here. Okay, it's there again. Now, there you go. It says order completed. Okay, this is something I want you to do. Sometimes it hangs for a while. So you have the tendency to click on other buttons. Just go back to the app and you will see this. Or just wait. I'm very impatient. So just wait and you will see this. And you will see your order number. Take note of that. All right? And here I could see that there's 62,000 PV credited to the account. So let me go back. I'll click the back button and I'll go here. Let me see the menu again. And okay. You can see here underneath in the middle, order delivery, quick order, and chat support. Go to order delivery, and there you go. You can see that it is really there. See, there are 2 orders confirmed because I had another previous order, and you can view that. View all. There you go. It shows that my Atomy order of Himuhim went through. So that's just one way of checking, so that just for you to know that you can track your order. Okay, so that's it for now. I hope it had been a very easy way of explaining how to shop in Atomy to be able to get the products at members' prices. So take advantage of that. Absolute quality products at absolute prices. Bye for now.